How to send money abroad using Santander mobile banking app. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up the mobile banking app of Santander. And if you don't have the app, open up a browser. In the search bar, you can simply search for santanderbank.com and search here, sign in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and navigate to payment and transfer section. Then select international payment. If you have sent money to the recipient before, you may also choose them from the list of existing pays. Now, enter the recipient details including their full name, address, bank name, and SWIFT or BIC code. After that, enter the amount you want to send, and if required, you can go ahead and simply write the purpose of the transfer. Before submitting, carefully review all the information to make sure everything is correct. Once confirmed, complete the transfer and your international payment will be processed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.